babes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial featuring curls. In the shower I used the Cashmere and Caviar hair bath and the Blueberry Bliss reparative hair mask. So now I'm going to apply the Blueberry Bliss hair milk on damp hair, and yes, y'all already know I use quite a bit of product, so I'm just going to be raking this throughout my entire hair for my leave-in conditioner. And I do want to mention that this has really good slip and is great for detangling. For this twist out, I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 4 sections just to make it a little bit easier. And now for the start of the show, I'm going to coat my hair with the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. This is my first time using a product specifically for twist outs. I've never done one before on my channel, so I thought I'd give it a try. And this Twist and Shout Cream is very thick and moisturizing. This styler is also made to give your curls definition and shine. You can also use this cream for braid outs. To ensure the moisture from the Twist and Shout cream stays in my hair, I'm applying the Cashmere and Caviar hair serum mainly on my ends to lock it all in. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing a small amount of hair from the back section and I'm smoothing it down with a comb before I start the 2-strand twist. And it's pretty simple and really easy to do. All you're doing is essentially wrapping 2 strands of hair around each other, forming a twist. And if you can't braid, then you'll definitely be able to do this twist out because you're only using 2 strands of hair versus 3. So that makes it a lot easier to do. So now that the back sections are done, I'm going to be doing the same thing to the front. Again, I'm applying the Twist and Shout cream from the Blueberry Bliss Curl collection, and then I'm going to be applying the hair serum from the Cashmere and Caviar collection. So again, I'm going to be taking a small piece of hair from the front section and then making sure that I smooth it down with a comb before I begin twisting. And once I do, I just split that piece of hair into 2 and then begin twisting tightly at the roots, so that way the twist will be nice and tight and it won't unravel. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to the rest of my hair. Okay, so here's a closer look. I'm on the last piece of hair in the last section, and I just smoothed down that piece of hair with a comb, and now I'm splitting that piece of hair into 2 for the twist. And as you can see, I'm making sure that I twist around the roots really tightly so that it can be, you know, not loose. And I'm just twisting my way down, making sure that I make it nice and tight. So in all, I ended up with 12 twists, or 3 in each section. Because my hair takes forever to dry, I'm going to be sleeping in my twists overnight. So to protect my hair, I'm going to be tying my hair down with a satin scarf, and I'm not done there. I'm also going to be using my satin bunnet to help protect my twists. So the next morning you can see that my hair has successfully dried and absorbed all the product. Before taking down my twists, I'm going to use the Cashmere and Caviar hair growth pomade on my edges to slick down my baby hairs. This pomade controls, smooths, and tames frizz, all while encouraging hair growth from the Cashmere, Caviar, and champagne extracts. To prevent frizz, I'm going to apply some more of the hair serum to my hands and fingers before unraveling the twists. This serum also helps to enhance hair growth while adding shine. Notice I'm carefully unraveling the twist to prevent any frizz, and I'm also splitting them into smaller pieces to give my hair a little more volume. So now I'm just going to do the same thing to all the twists. I'm just going to use the hair serum to take them down and slowly unravel them, and then I'm going to split them apart to make them look thicker and fuller. I was initially really nervous about this twist out because I've been unsuccessful in the past with twist outs, which is why I never really do them, but I'm happy to say I absolutely love how this look turned out using the Blueberry Bliss Curl collection and the Cashmere and Caviar collection from Curls. None of my past twist outs have ever looked this good, so I'm really happy with the results. So now that all the twists have been taken down, I'm just going back through my hair, making sure there's no large chunks, and if there are, I'm just going back and splitting those apart. And one last thing before we're done, I'm just taking my hair pick and picking at the roots just to lift my hair up from my scalp. Alright babes, so that completes this hair tutorial. All of the products used will be listed down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial by leaving a comment and giving this video a big thumbs up. Special thanks to Curls for sponsoring this video, and thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you back next time. Bye!